The blessed night. Layla always heard her parents talk about the special night in Ramadan, Laylatul Qadr. They said it was better than 1,000 months. She decided that this year she would stay up and experience its blessings. Mama, can I stay up for Laylatul Qadr? She asked excitedly. Her mother smiled. It's a beautiful night, Layla, but staying up isn't just about being awake. It's about worship, making dua, and seeking Allah's forgiveness. Determined, Layla set up a prayer corner with her Qur'an, a small notebook for duas, and a bottle of water because, as she said, a worshipper must stay hydrated. As the night progressed, she felt her eyelids getting heavier. She yawned. Mama, I think I might be experiencing a spiritual moment, or I might just be really sleepy. Her mother laughed. Keep going, sweetheart. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, whoever stands in prayer on Laylatul Qadr out of faith and seeking reward, his past sins will be forgiven. Bukhari. With renewed energy, Layla prayed, made dua, and read the Quran. By the time she finally went to sleep, she felt peaceful. She knew she had experienced something truly special. Moral: Laylatul Qadr is a gift from Allah, and we should seek its blessings. Quran. The night of decree is better than 1,000 months. What lesson did you learn from the story? Tell us in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button. See you soon in another episode.